The contents of what you're about to hear is based on a true story. However, the names have been changed to protect the lives of the innocent.
I'm over the legal limit, head spinning, there's an old lady on the bonnet. I'm being followed by a funny blue light that won't stop flashing. I'm swerving in the road, matting curves and crashing. I'm over the legal limit, head spinning, there's an old lady on the bonnet. I'm being followed by a funny blue light that won't stop flashing. Swerving in the road, matting curves and crashing.
Time, gentlemen, please.
Go on, lads, I think you've had enough. You need to drink up and get out now.
What the fuck are you saying? I don't know.
I'm being thrown out the pub doors cause it's past last orders. We all properly, but a designated driver, it's supposed to be me. Before I stuck the JD, now I'm spewing on the floor when I'm down on the floor. Now I'm unable to stand, my night's not going as planned. I might wear across the carpet with my car key in my hand. I'm feeling queasy, sweating buckets like P. Doherty, crackhead man from some super rock band. Start the car if I could get the key in the ignition. It's a mission, my intuition's also seeing double vision. Mine's on the back seat, racking ahead, spilling all the backy instead. Pull away, surprised at my ability to drive in this condition. Wishing that I hadn't been sit down the door, and wishing the beer cans weren't on the parcel shelf anymore, cause that's a big clue, innit? Telltale sign that I'm over the limit. Oh shit, hit the curve, flip it, roll it on the verge. I ain't hurt, and the man's in the back that I'm responsible for a little shock, but I know they want more. Beers that is, numb the pain, erase the memory of it all from your brain. Paralytic, insane, coked up behind the wheel of a car again. I'm over the legal limit, head spinning, there's an old lady on the bonnet. I'm being followed by a funny blue light that won't stop flashing. I'm swerving in the road, matting curves and crashing. I'm over the legal limit, head spinning, there's an old lady on the bonnet. I'm being followed by a funny blue light that won't stop flashing. Swerving in the road, matting curves and crashing.
Yeah, come on in the house, man. I'm sure I've got a bottle of brandy we can carry on with.
Yeah, safe blood, and I'm sure I've got some green we could be bunning.
Get home ready to carry on, but we ain't got no cigarettes. And the nearest shop is like a 20-minute trek. Going in the car weren't the best choice that was chosen. Had to piss down the window screen because it was frozen. I'm drunk as the groom to be at a stag party, but I'm in the driver's seat of the cold Mitsubishi, heading the wrong direction on a dual carriageway. My head is spinning and I can't see straight. Then we hear a, oh no, it's the policeman. But hold up, they're women. Let's see if we can chirp them. I'll give you my license if you give me a kiss, sir. What are you trying to say? Oh hey, who's makes me walk along a line? Arm stretched, touch my nose. I was doing fine till I fell over in the road. Felt the breath for lies, like I was like kinda 9 times over the legal limit to be the driver. But getting pulled over, sort of a lifesaver. Ain't doing me no favour, being deprived of my license. But only my first offence taught me a waiver. Nah, 4 years till I can drive again. I'm over the legal limit, head spinning, there's an old lady on the bonnet. I'm being followed by a funny blue light that won't stop flashing. I'm swerving in the road, matting curves and crashing. I'm over the legal limit, head spinning, there's an old lady on the bonnet. I'm being followed by a funny blue light that won't stop